Aiko has introduced its ultra-lightweight Nebular solar panels to the Australian market, offering a compelling new option for both commercial and select residential applications. Weighing just 8.6 kilograms, the 440W Nebular panel is significantly lighter than standard modules, which typically weigh between 21 to 23 kilograms. This makes it ideal for rooftops or structures with limited load-bearing capacity, such as sheds, carports, and commercial buildings with slender roofs. Despite its light build, the panel boasts impressive specs, including 22% efficiency and Type ABC, all-back contact, cells, and compatibility with conventional mounting systems thanks to a reinforced standard frame and glass-free design. While the warranty offering is modest, 12 years for both product and performance, 91.5% minimum output at year 12, the panel's unique characteristics may outweigh this for specific use cases. Aiko, a Chinese manufacturer that began producing panels in 2022, has quickly gained traction in Australia, receiving a 4.9-star average from 76 reviews on SolarQuotes and winning first place in the 2025 Installer's Choice Awards. With a growing presence and an office in Melbourne, Aiko's innovation, especially with the Nebular and high-efficiency NeoStar range, continues to attract attention and may help unlock new opportunities in the solar installation space where traditional panels aren't a practical fit.